We've done a lot of research on where to find some really cheap quality car parts. And what we found is rockauto.com has some really good prices. Here I ran some numbers, and we're going to be getting brake pads and rotors on all four wheels for our car. If we get 2 rotors at $13 a piece for the front and the rear, brake pads, and that comes with that for the front and the rear, that's about $77 total. And then that's all individually. If we get them in a kit, that's the rear kit, so that'll cover, there's rotors in there, brake pads, and then the front has rotors and brake pads, and that's about $92.58, so that's a lot more expensive. If you get them individually, it's a lot cheaper. And you can see, if you just pick random ones with the best prices, then you'll get hit with shipping. You can see the shipping here was $42.96, and here was $45.98. We figured out a way to avoid that, and Rock Auto really makes it easy. So you can see there's little trucks over here, and what this means is it's telling you which warehouse. This is shipping from one, these are all shipping from the same warehouse, and then we have one that has a B on it. And that means that's shipping from a different warehouse. And if you had another one from another warehouse, it would be a C. So, you want to try to get them all shipping from the same warehouse. See, if we scroll down a little bit and we look at the shipping will be more with this other warehouse. You can see the shipping right here with that extra warehouse in there is $30.97. Now if we remove it from the cart, then if we look at the shipping, it'll be much cheaper. Now you can see that's a lot cheaper. It's like almost $10 cheaper. So you want to make sure everything is coming from one warehouse. So now we'll add back some of the carts just to kind of get an apples to apples comparison of how much it costs here compared to how much it is local. So I'll add the cheapest brake pads that have this little truck symbol, which means they're in the same warehouse as other parts in the cart. So that means everything's going to be from the same warehouse. So these pads are for the rear. So we'll click add to cart. It'll add them to cart, and then we'll add these here. They're in the same warehouse, and we will add those to cart. So when you add a rotor to the cart and it's just a single rotor, you want to make sure to change the quantity to 2, so because you don't want to accidentally buy just one. So now we'll go ahead and enter, it'll calculate that, and we'll get a look at our total, and just with all the parts we're at $134. And now we'll take a look at what the shipping is. So this is what it costs for the rotors and the pads, and that's excluding all the spark plugs, windshield wipers we had in our cart. So this is just for 2 rear rotors, 2 front rotors, brake pads for the front, brake pads for the rear. It totals up to $88.28. That is a really good deal compared to here's Advanced Auto Parts. For all that, it's $173. And AutoZone was $247. So Rock Auto really has them beat. And not to mention, we have our cart full of other stuff, and we aren't even close to these prices. So our mechanic is a pretty reasonable mechanic. He has good prices, but he charged about $500 to replace, and this is including the parts, to replace the rotors and the brake pads. Now, that's definitely a lot more expensive than buying the parts and doing the job yourself. So, most of the time, Rock Auto does have some of the best prices on the parts, but sometimes they don't. You just want to look around on eBay and other places just to see if you can find a better deal. But I'm really liking how cheap and the quality of parts that they have. We've been using them for a long time. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.